I'm Margalynne Armstrong, and I teach the first year Constitutional Law 1 course. I also teach the upper division second constitutional course. I teach a course on race and law, and sometimes I teach property and comparative law. Well, SCU has long been a place where the students have been the #1 priority. I went to a school where research and scholarship were a higher priority, and it seemed to me that the most important thing about law teaching is the people you're teaching. Well, my advice would be to, of course, read and read again. I would also advise first-year students who come out here to take advantage of this incredibly beautiful area where we live. It is one of the most gorgeous places that I've ever seen. The other advice I would give to first-year students is to start writing practice questions as soon as you can. Even if you can't write out an entire question, you can only recognize some of the issues. Even writing part of an exam gives you that practice, and it starts to form your ability to express yourself in the context that you need to express yourself on exams. You don't want to walk into an exam and have that the first time that you've actually tried to put the law into your own words. Well, I'm researching implicit bias right now, which is how people tend to, even though they don't intend to be racist, they tend to often unconsciously see racial stereotypes. And I'm looking at how that affects different areas of law. And I think most importantly, I'm looking at what we can do even in the law school setting to try to help people to overcome implicit bias. Well, I love theater. I subscribe to the Berkeley Rep, I subscribe to the American Conservatory Theater, I go to plays on campus, and I go to plays at local companies like Theater Works and San Jose Rep, and on my spring break I went to New York and saw a couple of plays. So I would say that theater is really a huge love of mine, as is music.